All right, problem 8. It says in figure 3 above, it has this big figure. It says ABC. So ABC, this little triangle, is similar to FGC. All right, EDH is a parallelogram. EDAH is a parallelogram. Probably not going to matter. Doesn't really matter to us. CG7, it gives me all these measurements. What's the perimeter of FGC? FGC. This, in this triangle, do you see that triangle and that triangle? That's all that matters in the problem. Those are similar. So I don't really need all this extra information. Now, I do need to pay attention which sides correspond to which sides. That's going to be important. Well, let's write in this measurements we have here. CG is 7. C to G is 7. This side right here, CG is 7. CA is 6. C to A, that side is 6. CB is 10. CB is 10. And then BA is 11. It gave me all the measurements around this triangle here. So I know its perimeter of this triangle. 10, 11 is 21. It's 27. Now it wants to know the perimeter of my guy over here. Well, all I really need to do is I can set up whichever side here corresponds to the 7 is the same as the perimeter of 21 over this guy's perimeter, which we're missing. So we're going to set this perimeter corresponds to that perimeter as whatever side here goes to the 7. That's what we have to figure out. Not really that hard to do. We're looking at CG. Here's CG. You can see that that guy must correspond to BC. BC. A lot of kids would do 7 to 6, but it's not. The 10 and the 7 are the sides that correspond because B to C is that. So what I'm going to set up, I'm going to say 7 is to the 10. So I'm going to do that right here. 7 is to the 10. Those are the corresponding sides. 7 corresponds to the 10 as this missing perimeter, P, corresponds to this triangle's missing perimeter, which, well, we know it. It's 27. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to go 10 times P is equal to 27 times 7. Let's see, that's a 49. Carry your 4 looks like 189. I'm going to double check. Yep, 189. Now I simply divide by 10 and I'm going to get my answer. The other guy's perimeter, divide by 10, just going to move the decimal back one. So it's going to be 18.9. That's going to be the perimeter of this triangle here. This whole EDH is a parallelogram, just in there to confuse you, to sort of make sure you can look in a picture and separate what's important and what is not. So problem 8, perimeter 18.9.